Good evening, Chennai. Vanakkam. This is my first time in Chennai. I've actually never come outside into the city. But seeing the energy, thank you all for being here today and supporting us. Today, for the first time, I have a lot of butterflies in my stomach because, like Huma and all of you have said, we're just 2 days away from our release. And a part of me is just feeling like I'm about to deliver Nadia and Toxic and the entire film to all of you. But standing here, I just want to take this moment and thank my team of Toxic. First and foremost, Venkat sir, happy birthday. On your birthday, you've given us the biggest gift, which is Toxic. I remember 2 years ago, we started the film celebrating your birthday, and here we are, almost about to release the film. I think you are one of the most gracious producers, sir. You have enabled this vision with so much comfort and ease, and just let each of us fly and support this magnum opus of a film that it is. So thank you, sir. Some of our technicians who are not here today, who I'd really like to name, Rajiv Ravi, sir. He has shot this film so beautifully with a new canvas and made each one of us look like we have never before. So thank you, Rajiv, sir. To our entire music team, Vishal Mishra, he's been a lucky charm in my life because from Kabir Singh and now to Toxic, I think he's a part of some of my most special films. Ravi Basur, sir, everyone, I might be forgetting some names, please forgive me, but to every one of them, Vicky sir, you're here, Ganesh sir, all the, everyone, the lyricists, everyone who's translated this film in all our languages in India so that each one of you can watch it in your mother tongue and enjoy the film. Ladies and ladies, this cast, I mean, just to get to be a part of such powerful women in our industry from all over, all different states, we've come together with one vision that we've believed in. Let's start with our lady superstar, Nayantara, who's not here today. Of course, she's our lady superstar. She's such a fine actor, but I truly had the privilege of knowing her as a human being on this film. And she has touched my heart in so many ways. I think that's going to leave a lasting impact on me. Huma, you're a powerhouse, Huma. I mean, all the work that you do continues to inspire us. And in Toxic, I think you're going to give your best. Elizabeth is, you aren't ready for it yet, but 2 more days and you'll see what her magic is. Rukmani, you are so endearing, I cannot tell you. And to witness the love that the audience has for you. Oh my God, y'all are gonna have a treat when you see Toxic. She has some of the most fun lines. I'm not sure how civilized they'll be, but you will have a blast for sure. Tara is not here, but she's so lovely and beautiful, and again, another surprise for you all. I cannot, I have to talk about the gentleman here as well. Sanup sir, I did not have an opportunity to work with you, but you stand out in every frame, and just listening to all the lovely words everyone has to say about you, all those who've worked with you, it's so lovely to know that. Thank you. Sudeep, you're the kindest human being I've ever met. Every time on set, all our chats, everything, and then you transform on screen into Karmadi, who is just someone, again, everyone will be excited to watch. So it's lovely working with you too. And Akshay, you're a very handsome man, I must say. No, Akshay, I think with your voice and your style and everything, I think what you bring to Tony is just so special. So, all the best to all of us. Geetu Mohan Das. I just wanted to say that. I think this is a name that Indian cinema is going to remember forever. Firstly, I want to thank you for making me a fearless artist. That's why I said there'll be Kiara before and Kiara after, because what she gave me was a sense of fearlessness. And it takes guts, and you just gave me a little bit of your guts. So thank you. I have so much to say. I don't think any words would do justice to all that I have and that I feel for you. But you know it in your heart. And I love you. I love you so much. And Yash. He's our Rocky Bhai. He's our rocking star. He's soon gonna be your Raya, your ticket. There's really no one like you, Yash. You're one of a kind. It's truly been an honor and a privilege to work with you, to be a part of your vision, a part of your madness. But there's something I haven't shared with you and Geetu, which today I just feel like saying it. When I got pregnant, after my family, y'all were the first two people I shared the news with. And in that moment, you didn't think about how will we finish the film, the logistics, none of that. Y'all both smiled with tears in your eyes, congratulated me and said, we're going to have the time of our lives now, Kiara. And I was so touched to just see someone who was so happy for me. I will never forget that. You said, come on set, be comfortable, eat whatever you want, and we're going to make the best film. And we truly did. You truly, truly did make me feel like I could do anything in that moment. So thank you for being the human being that you are. And thank you for being the best team. I hope 26th August, when we and you enjoy cinema, because there was only one vision, to take Indian cinema, take the best artists and the best technicians from our country and put this film on the globe. So with that, thank you, Team Toxic, and thank you, Chennai.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you so much. You can't give us the mic over so easily. We still want to hold you a little bit longer. அந்த காலத்து dream girl ஹேம மாலினினா இந்த காலத்து dream girl Kiara Advani, ladies and gentlemen. பெரிய பெரிய கைத்தட்டல் கொடுக்கலாமா? Show some love.
There is only one dream girl.
For us, for this generation,
So
we'd like to shower you with that kind of love. But we're very angry with you, I want to tell you that.
Why?
We're very upset. தமிழ் மக்கள் நம்மெல்லாம் எவ்வளோ அப்செட்டாக இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு உங்களுடைய சார்பாக நாங்கள் சொல்லிடலாம். I'll tell you why. You've done a Telugu film. You've done a Kannada film. Why haven't you done a Tamil film yet? Let us celebrate you in a Tamil movie. When is that going to happen? I want to know right now.
I hope I get a call after Toxic, and I would love to do a Tamil film. I've actually worked with Vishnu Vardhan sir, who's a Tamil director in my film Shersha. So I've had a little bit of, exposure to that. But soon, hopefully, if y'all want to see me, I'll come. I'll come and do a Tamil film as well.
யாரோட நடிக்க ஆசைப்படுறாங்கன்னு கேட்டலாமா? Who would you like to star opposite? Who would you like to work with?
I mean, you have the best of the best, so picking one would be very hard.
Pick two.
I'd pick many more. Okay, let me say a director who I'd really like to work with. Mani Ratnam, sir.
Mani sir, கேட்டுட்டு இருந்தீங்கன்னா டக்குன்னு அடுத்த ப்ராஜெக்ட் பிடிச்சு போடுங்க. I know that Tamil songs are very, very popular in Mumbai because I live in Mumbai and I know that wherever I go, I hear a lot of Tamil songs. Do you have any Tamil songs that you listen to on loop? Any favorite songs, any dialogue that comes to mind? Because you're in Chennai and you know the rule of the stage. Tamil la pesno.
See, right now everything is toxic in my mind. So the only songs I'm listening. So I'm going to hear all the Tamil version of the songs now because they've been translated so beautifully by Vicky sir. So right now all the toxic songs.
All right. Okay. Thank you so much. We'd like you to stay back on stage because we want you to be on stage when we welcome the force